Kia ora everyone, Taka is here. Couple of weeks ago, I went to Cultural Fest run by Auckland Council. It is about diversity and celebrating unique culture of people in Auckland region. And lots of people showed up and we had a very good time. It's about diversity and encourage people cross-cultural communication, especially after mosque attack in Christchurch 2019. So if you are interested, I uploaded video on my other channel, so please click the link below if you are interested. All right, so let's get started today's Japanese lesson for beginners people. Today's topic is I like, I don't like, I prefer, and so on. Okay, so I like is が好きです. I like something, something が好きです. So how do you say I like beer? Right, pause video and speak up. ビールが好きです。ビールが好きです。Okay? What about I like apple juice. Apple in Japanese is リンゴ. So apple juice is リンゴ juice. I like apple juice. Yeah, you can pause and you can say that. Yeah, speak up. 私はリンゴジュースが好きです。Alright. What about opposite of like? Don't like. How do you say I don't like beer? ビールが好きではありません。ビールが好きではありません。What about I don't like vegetable? Vegetable is 野菜。Pause. いや、野菜が好きではありません。I don't like vegetable. So if you want to say dislike it, how do you say? 嫌いです。So, I dislike vegetable. Pause. 野菜が嫌いです。I dislike beer. Just replace 野菜 to ビール。Pause. ビールが嫌いです。Dislike is 嫌い, but not strong as hate. 嫌い means just stronger don't like, but dislike is more direct. So next one, if you want to say you like it very much or you really like something, you add 大 in front of 好き. So you say 大好き. Okay, literally 大 is big, so I like it big. Okay, I like big like. I really like New Zealand wine. How do you say? Pause. ニュージーランドのワインが大好きです。Okay? ニュージーランドのワインが大好きです。How about I really dislike meat. Again. Alright? Meat. Meat is 肉 or you can add お肉. Doesn't matter. 肉 is okay. So, 肉が dislike very much. 大嫌いです。Anything you like it, really you like it, you say 大好き. And if you really don't like it, then you say 大嫌い。大嫌いです。Next one, would like. Would like is probably polite version of I want or something. I want, you want. I would like to drink beer. Drink, remember, 飲む. I would like to drink beer. That means I want to drink beer. So, ビールが飲みたいです。Okay? How do you say I would like to talk to him? Another word, I want to talk to him. Talk is 話す. I would like to talk to him. Probably similar to I want to talk to him. Pause. 私は彼と話したい. Remember, talk is 話す. 話したい is want to talk or would like to talk. So 私は talk to him 彼と話したいです。And another I would like, if you go to a cafe or a restaurant, sometimes when you order something, instead of can I have something, often we say, I would like to have something. For example, can I have a coffee? I would like to have a coffee. In Japanese, coffee お願いします。お願いします。Literally, coffee please. I would like to have a beer. ビールお願いします。ビールをお願いします。Just wonder, you remember last lesson? Can you do me a favor? ちょっとお願いがあります。or ちょっとお願いできますか? So remember, can you do me a favor? And also, when you order something, お願いします。Right? Remember, very convenient. Last one is prefer. Often in English, we prefer A to B. In Japanese, probably I like A more than B. In Japanese, B よりも A が好きです。So how do you say I prefer wine to beer? How do you say in Japanese? Pause. ビールよりもワインが好きです。Okay? Right. A couple more practice. I prefer vegetable to meat. Vegetable, 野菜、meat、肉。Pause. 肉よりも野菜が好きです。肉よりも野菜が好きです。I prefer swim to run. Swim is 泳ぐ and run is 走る。Pause video and speak up. 走るよりも泳ぐのが好きです。泳ぐことが好きです。I prefer swim to run. Last question. How do you say, what kind of Japanese food do you like? So what kind? どんな Japanese food is 日本食 or 日本の食べ物。食べ物 is food. So 日本の食べ物 Japanese food. But to make it short, 日本食 do you like? 好きですか? Right, pause video and speak up. どんな日本食が好きですか? How do you say? You have to use practice that you did. I guess most people say, I like sushi or I really like sushi. Is that correct? So if you really like sushi, 私は好きが大好きです。This is another question. What kind of New Zealand food or drink do you like? Drink is 飲み物 or in Japanese is yeah. Right, pause video and speak up. どんなニュージーランドの食べ物や飲み物が好きですか? Right, what is your answer? My answer is, I really like New Zealand wine. 私はニュージーランドのワインが大好きです。New Zealand wine is really nice. Is that true? 本当ですか? Is that true? Okay, that's all today. I hope you enjoyed it. And Kia pai tora, have a nice day. And kakite ano. See you again.